So guys, hello. Today is summer. Summer is season of our vacation. It may be a lot of people don't know how to combine traveling and training at the same time. So I know answer. Right now I will teach you how to do this at the same time. So my car today is the gym and mat. Yes, gymnastic mat. So lay and found your comfortable position in your car. Also do this butterfly position and also carefully breathe in and breathe out and do circles by your legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And please change your side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Right now just gently press. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Also go to the baby pose and also don't forget about breathing. Breathe in and breathe out. So also this exercise you can do after your strong training because this is compensation exercise. So do this and don't forget give me your feedback about these trainings. Also have fun and bye bye.